Yeah, hi everyone. So this is just a quick raw video. Actually, I have built a chatbot using DeepSeek AI. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So let me just open this. So I'll open here and you can see this chat icon just bottom right of this page. So I'll click on this. So you can see a beautiful chatbot gets open here and it greets you saying, "Hi there, I am your personal assistant AI. How can I help you today?" Now, just after this greeting message, you can see these quick reply buttons here. So you can also customize these buttons and the text as well. So let me click on this second one. Tell me a fun fact. So this bot will respond according to your query, like this responded right now. Now, if you have something that you want to ask with this, so you can say like, what is the capital of India? Yeah, so bot responded the capital of India is New Delhi. So yeah, just like this, you can ask your queries and you will get the solution. So you can ask about the coding as well. So if you want to write code, if you want some assistant for your code writing, so you can also ask that questions as well. Now, if you'll click on this delete icon, so the chat history will gets cleared. So I'll show you. So if you click on this delete icon, so the chat history will get cleared, and this cross icon will close this bot. And again, if you want to open, you can click on this. Now this is the chatbot that I have built using DeepSeek AI, and you can see here is the code. Now if you want this chatbot to deploy on your Blogger or WordPress site, whether it is a Blogger or WordPress, doesn't matter actually. So you just have to go to your code. Now just copy all the code that is written here. Now let's suppose you want to deploy your uh, this chatbot onto your uh, Blogger website. So just go to your Blogger website and click on this themes icon, and now and then go to edit HTML option. Now go all the way down, and you can see this closing body tag. Now you have to paste your entire code just before this closing body tag. Now I'll paste this here and we'll save this file. Now if you click on this view blog, so this is basically a blog, image enhancer blog that I built in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, I'll give the link of that video in the description, so you can go and watch that video too. Now you can see here the bot is up and running here. If you click on this, so the bot will work as I have showed there in this standalone chatbot. So this is how you can deploy your chatbot to your Blogger website, and if you want to deploy on your WordPress website, so that is also possible. Now, I just wanted to understand with you guys. So if if you want a full detailed tutorial about this, so you can just comment down below in this video, or if you want just the code, so you can also comment that. I will provide this code to you as well. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and also in future if you want such videos, you can just subscribe to us, and yeah, wait for the next video. I'll be uploading the next video soon. Thank you guys.